In between call has come and the video got disconnected. Okay, she is a dangerous devil and everything will be devastated. And what you will get, you will not get anything. And have some common sense. How nicely we could have won the election because of your excitement. Party. When a person is making commitment, the way you play in February 14th, when this called, oh, you immediately you wanted to raise the not immediately you wanted to grab and culture a party. You are getting tempted to this kind of prostitute or modern culture of Asia. Not even feeling any shame. Like what you are going to do, what are some prostitute, some other culture. I will ashamed. Have some manners and culture. Okay, yeah, and you get it. Other thing you want to put to lock up and you have to Mantabuti. So you need to understand that people are not having that intelligence to handle these levels. So accept that. So what I am telling you, why I had to tell you because of you fellows activities. Okay, when a person is putting up, I know that past mistakes, everything. There is a way to correct. There is only way. And none of these ladies are any eligibility or culture about this Malayali double chat. Everybody want to grab wherever you get a chance. They thought that they can keep me as a puppet apply and culture of party doubles. See, you will be throughout your life under the slave of these battalions and culture of these all fellows. And there is a way to handle it. So be stubborn and again, I told these fellows are fooling. Again, why are you listening to that culture of frauds? And you will change message and edition. That's the reason I'm going to don't ever entertain that you are a prostitute. Anyway, throughout your 54 years, you sucked many prostitutes. And that is a culture of party that Maya Mohini Putana, that and Alna, that is a culture of party. You are telling it devotion because of that she is with you culture. Then that is because of the double activities. Your double activities, that party is with you. Was with you to chuck. Some feel ashamed. Okay. So block that prostitute now itself. And these fellows are nothing, they won't do anything. And see, I will not repeat this every time. You can go and do anything and grab all the office and suck all the thing. And I'm not like a play to lady. Because of you fellow only, my personality is getting trained. Okay, everything has a limit. From your madness, have some control. Also, Sonia G and at least she is common sense. Don't go with the greediness in that. These fellows. So you are telling that the plan, what to do, but that I have clearly written the plans. And did it reach to your what? Priyanka, did it reach to your or the play the in between they have played or what? Anyway, so has to have some common, have the maturity to stay stubborn over there. And when these fellows are threatened, don't yield to it. There are ways. If they are doing that, you can tell public. Otherwise, they stay there. Nobody will eat you. And you do some offer or something, whatever the offer these fellows are, nothing is going to make you anywhere. Okay, that you need to understand. Rather than again, somebody is growing up and take it. You feel ashamed. That's the reason. Okay, at least have common sense and be stubborn. Okay, everything can handle. Oh, okay.